Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check Nissan Rogue transmission fluid easy guide. Begin by parking the vehicle on level ground with the parking brake set, then warm the engine to operating temperature. Open the hood, locate the transmission dipstick, and use a clean rag to wipe it. Reinsert the dipstick fully, remove it again, and check the fluid level and color against the markings. Note any burnt smell or dark color as signs to service the transmission. In this video, I will show how to check Nissan Rogue transmission fluid easy guide. With the engine warm and parked, pop the hood and visually scan toward the firewall for a dipstick labeled for transmission fluid. Clear any debris and pull the dipstick slowly, wiping it clean before reinserting. Remove it again to read the level and inspect fluid color and smell. If the fluid is low, top with the manufacturer recommended type, adding small amounts and rechecking the level carefully. In this video, I will show how to check Nissan Rogue transmission fluid easy guide. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little tree's black ice that you see here for a fresh cabin, a small touch that makes the process more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to check Nissan Rogue transmission fluid easy guide. After wiping and reinserting the dipstick, remove it and check where the fluid reaches between cold and hot marks. Follow the correct mark for your vehicle. Inspect the fluid color and smell closely and describe any odd findings. If the level is low, add small amounts of the recommended fluid type and recheck, avoiding overfilling, which can cause shifting issues or leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.